We are going to investigate what happens when chlorine water is mixed with the hydrocarbon solvent hexane. We will mainly focus on the color change. In the tube, you can see chlorine water and it's pale yellow in color. We added hexane to chlorine water and then we will shake the mixture. After the mixture has been shaken, the hexane layer ends up floating on top of the water layer. Note the color of this hexane layer. It's darker than the color of the water layer. Now let's take a look at the reaction of bromine water with hexane. Remember, chlorine and bromine are both halogens. In this tube, you can see bromine water and it's orange in color. Now let's add hexane. Note the color of the bromine water after shaking the mixture. The bromine water is the bottom layer. Its color has faded. It was much darker than this pale color. It was orange. Iodine is another halogen. Let's see the reaction between iodine water and hexane. So we added hexane to iodine water and the mixture has been shaken, the same as the other two mixtures. Notice the color of the hexane layer. It's violet, just like the color of iodine crystals. So as you can see, hexane can be used to identify these halogens.